East Java has some of the most beautiful nature to offer, and in this video I went on a mission to dive the most breathtaking waterfall, Tumpak Sewu. We started our journey exploring the enchanted forest, straight out of Hobbit, known as the Javatan Forest. After that, we made our way up to Tumpak Sewu waterfall. Good morning from Tumpak Sewu waterfall. What a way to start the morning. Heading to Tumpak Sewu waterfall. Alright, we have arrived at the viewpoint of Tumpak Sewu. It's right behind me. Look at this. Witnessing this gem in real life was totally a different experience from what I've seen on the internet. It's one of those majestic places that you have to experience it and see it with your own eyes. There's a ton of tourists over here, so later we are gonna go down, all the way down to the waterfall. Now I'm heading down and I'm planning to fly my FPV from the bottom. Really nervous. I've never done a dive like this before, and if I get that shot, it's gonna be huge. I almost couldn't find my way back because the clouds rolled in. Ooh, that was loose. This is the trickiest part of the waterfall, where you have to step on the rocks. The rocks are kind of slippery, but it's also refreshing at the same time. The drone shot gave me goosebumps, yet it was rewarding. And now I can call Tumpak Sewu a waterfall that I dove for the very first time flying my FPV drone. After this, we head over to Mount Bromo. Another adventure awaits. Stay tuned for the next video.